guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I collected a tray full of the things that you would need to become a lash artist. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to show you the few things that you may need to begin lashing. Okay, so if you're new to the game, I just kind of wanted to show you the main things that you will need to start doing lashes. It's just a quick run through, and hopefully this helps some of you guys. I am working on other videos of specific things that you have asked me. So if you just don't know what you need to start off with, I'm going to be quickly going through really quick to show you the products. So to begin doing lashes, you're gonna need lash extensions, and you can get them everywhere. I'm not gonna be getting this video up soon enough for you guys to go Black Friday shopping. Hopefully you guys are smart and like searched everywhere because they're on sale. These are just two of the ones that I really like, and I'm not gonna get too detailed into it. If you want like a separate video on eyelashes that I use, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below, like the video, so that I know to film it. I highly recommend to go ahead and get one mixed tray and then get two of the longest shades that you're going to be using, or the not shades, what am I talking about? I recommend to get, like, say you get a mixed tray and your mapping uses a lot of 12s and 13s. I recommend to get singles of 12s and 13s because you're not going to be using a ton of 8, 9, and 10 until you get better at it. Until you become more familiar with it or whatever, you can go ahead and purchase every, you know what I'm trying to say. Hopefully you guys know. Okay, next thing you're gonna need are some tweezers. I have a lot of them. I'm kind of a freak. If you want to invest in some good tweezers, I like to use Pink Lab. They work really well. I'm not going to show you the ones that I use right now because they're actually in my Barbicide over there. So these are a bunch of just random extra clean tools. And to apply the lashes, you're going to need some glue. So this is a little thing that I have. It's kind of weird. Hopefully you guys don't judge me. But it says lash glue on top of it. It's a little acrylic holder. And I do have rice on the bottom, and I have some moisture packets. And then I carry all my glues around there. And I keep it in a drawer just so it can be locked away from any moisture and all that stuff. Alright, next you're gonna need a mask. I don't care who you are. I don't care whose video was like, you don't need it. You need it. Glue has fumes, and you don't want to be ingesting all those fumes because it's not good for you. And just invest in them. Like, I buy these 10 bucks, no wait, 10 of them for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So go get you some. And next you're gonna need a hygrometer. I can't say it. Hygrometer. You guys are gonna like laugh at me. But anyway, so I have this one. It shows you the temperature and the humidity in your room, which, look at me. Look at that. That sucks rubber ducks. 25, 30. That's not good. Over here in Colorado, that is what you get, and so I make it work. I turn on my humidifiers. I crank up the cool, the heat, whatever you need to do to fix your temperature, fix it, because it's very important. Okay, next I do use this, what is it called? Nano mister, and you can get it off of Amazon, really cheap, and it works really great. Like, I honestly love the mist to set your makeup. It works amazing. Yeah, so I just have a nano mister because, like I said, you can tell that there's no humidity here in Colorado, so I have to use this to set my glue. Next, you're gonna need a lash primer. This is the one that I use. I got it off of Amazon, and it is called Glam Lash Primer. It's pretty cheap, but it works really well. Oh my god, my heater! Really? My heater turned on and I'm blocked by all my lights, so we are not gonna turn that off. So a primer is what you definitely need. It dries out all the moisture from your eyelashes, and that way you can have the glue last a lot longer, so it is a must. Along with this, you're gonna need micro swabs. So the micro swabs come in little containers like this. You can get them off of Amazon really cheap, and I got some pink ones. They come in many different sizes. But yeah, so you definitely need those. Take 2 of them for each eye and just rub in between the lashes to clean them, whatever you want to do. Alright, next you're going to need tape. I do have a tape video, so I'm not going to get into it. You need tape. Whatever type of tape you decide to use, you need tape. You need lots of it. You will use a lot of tape. So I'm gonna link the video down below. I think it's like the video before this one, maybe 2 videos before this one, yes. So, okay, next, for the glue, you're gonna need somewhere to put your glue. I have a glue ring and I also have a jade stone, which I recommend. I love the jade stone. Honestly guys, I use my jade stone for volume and I use my ring when I'm doing plastics. It's so much easier. Like if you struggle, try it. Next, you're gonna need some type of magnifying glasses. These are literally reading glasses and they're 3.25 because I'm blind, but I did order some today actually. I don't know where they're at, but I used to have some white ones that I got from Amazon. They were great, but they were like a little top heavy. So I ordered ones that were like a little bit lighter, so hopefully those will feel good and they'll be good. But yeah, just go get you some reading glasses and hopefully it'll help to magnify, you know, the lashes. Next, you're gonna need a dryer, an air conditioner, something. I got this off of Amazon, really affordable. Turns on here, blows really nicely, and it works really well, so cannot beat that. And it's really cute. It's pink, like my room. Next, you're gonna need mascara wands. Like, I don't care who you are, you're gonna need mascara wands. You want like 1 million of these because you want to be very sanitary. This is a little straw that I put over, so when I give it to my client, they have a little cap and it's not rolling around everywhere. But yeah, so just, they're very affordable. Get you some of those. And next, we're gonna also need Sharpies. I really like the skinny pin, and I know I should use like surgical markers. I will get those eventually, but this works really well. It's a pin Sharpie, and I think these work really nice. I recommend getting a red, and I need to go buy some red ones, but black works. And the last thing that I have to share with you guys is this little mirror. Oh my god, you finally turned off. And the last thing that I have to share with you guys is this little mirror. It does come in handy when you need to lift your client's eyes and make sure that they're not stuck anywhere. You don't have any stickies. It works good. It's pretty cheap. I think I got it for like $6 on Amazon, and it works good. You need it. So as you guys noticed, the heat just turned off. If it gets bad, I'm gonna go ahead and record over, like voiceover. Hopefully we don't have to go there, but one last thing, you're gonna need some sanitizer because you don't wanna be a dirty girl and you just always wanna sanitize. If you go to check your phone, you shouldn't. You should always just focus on your client. But if you go to check your phone, be courteous, apply sanitizer. You don't want germs, you know, around the eyes. So that's it guys. I know that I didn't mention other things. Trust me, there's a lot more to mention, but I have no idea where to go from here. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if my videos are even helpful at all. Let me know exactly what you want to see. I'm down to film what you guys want to see. Like, I'm here waiting for you to comment to tell me what to film. And I know I got a few people that are wanting to see actual live tutorials. I'm gonna do that for you. I'm gonna figure it out. Maybe apply some lashes on my daughter. I just don't want to get her like addicted and then she's gonna want them and I'm just gonna have to say no. So I will find a model or something, someone that will let me film on them, because right now I'm in my little studio. I'm actually gonna have a client here soon. And so I'm gonna go ahead and finish, wrap it up and get ready for that. Give the video a thumbs up if you did like it. Hit the subscribe button if you are new here. And my lash ladies, if you are coming from other groups that I've joined, I appreciate you so much. I freaking love those. Like, I don't know, if you're a beginning lash artist, go to Facebook and like join every lash group that you can join, because it's amazing. It's amazing. Like, it warms my heart when I ask a question and literally everybody pours their answers. Like, they give you answers. If I post a picture of my work and they like tell me the good and the bad about it, and I love that, because constructive criticism is how we grow, and I'm not scared. I love constructive criticism. Alright guys, so keep lashing and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.